Hi. Today I would like to talk about the word contingency from the financial planning point of view. COVID has been there for nearly 6 months now, and the future is still bleak, and we have no idea how long the uncertainty would extend to. This is where a bit of financial planning helps a lot. It's more about the availability of liquidity at any given point of time. Uh, Contingency does not necessarily mean contingency planning does not necessarily mean that you have cash balance in your account or cash at home. It it is all about having the accessibility to money at any point of time if there is an emergency crisis or an emergency or a crisis in the family. Also, what is more important now is that many people are losing jobs. For many of them, the salaries are slashed. So these are all some types of contingencies that can occur apart from, of course, health conditions that can go wrong. So that is why it is very very important to have a proper planning in place. I've seen many people having, buying properties, more number of properties. It can be land, it can be, apartments or buildings. But the most difficult thing about the properties that you buy is that it is illiquid. I mean, in other words, you cannot get cash the moment you want it. I mean, it's not that easy to liquidate a property and get cash. So having liquidity is very very important. So the investment that you really make now matters a lot. How the investment should be in such a way that you should have the accessibility to withdraw at any given point of time. That is what is liquidity. Liquidity is nothing but the ability to have the money for the asking. In case you need money urgently, you must be able to get the money sitting at home. How is that possible? It's very important that when you choose the investment instrument, it should be in such a way that you must be able to sit at home and get the money into your account. You can do that because with technology, nothing is impossible. But properties, you cannot. Fixed deposits, though liquid, would also require you to visit banks. But today's given conditions does not permit you to walk into a bank to cancel your physical FDs. So what do? That is why, along with other instruments, I mean, you don't have to put all eggs in the same basket, but you should have this investment in mutual funds, which will help you with this liquidity at any given point of time. You could have planned for goals which are long term. However, in a pandemic condition like this, such as this, it becomes very important for us to know where can you get cash in the case of an emergency sitting at home without going to bank. Over a click of a button, you can have the money back into your account, and you can do all transactions online. You can use a credit card, you can use online banking for any of your expenses or anything that can be a contingency in your family. The same contingency also applies for business people, especially in a situation like this. Even businesses are affected very badly. Businesses generally, the first generation business people have their own constraints as far as setting aside reserves are concerned. They flow back all their money into businesses, but business money and personal money are different. In any case, even for businesses, it is very important for them to set aside a reserve fund to meet such exigencies. It might be very important to retain some of the employees. You can't throw away all the employees. Some of the overheads are fixed. You cannot cut off overheads. So it becomes very important even for small and medium scale businesses to have contingency plan in place. It will be a reserve. It can be a general reserve. It can continue to stay in the business. If there is no contingency, well, you have your money at your disposal. But it is always a must to have a contingency plan in place. For more details, you can call me anytime. I'll be glad to discuss further. Thank you.